Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss solubility and solubility product. So it's a very important topic for your examination and also for any general competitive exam. Let's discuss solubility. Solubility is the amount of solute present in 100 gram of solution. So it's the amount of solute which we dissolve in 100 gram of solution in a saturated state. So saturated state here means maximum to maximum सोल्यूट डिज़ोल्व इन सॉल्यूशन कि मैक्सिमम जितना भी सोल्यूट एक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर डिज़ोल्व हो सकता है उसे हम बोलते हैं सैचुरेटेड स्टेट एट एनी गिवन टेम्परेचर, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पर. सो सॉल्युबिलिटी के यूनिट्स होते हैं ग्राम पर लीटर, दैट हाउ मैनी ग्राम्स ऑफ सोल्यूट डिज़ोल्व इन 1 लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन और हाउ मैनी मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट डिज़ोल्व इन पर लीटर. हेयर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज n and volume, number of moles dissolved in volume of solution in liters. Generally we use moles per liter to find solubility. So students, solubility is of two types. Generally we have two types of salts: completely soluble salt and sparingly soluble salt. So for completely soluble salts are all nitrates, salts of Na positive, K positive. These all are completely soluble salt in solution. All nitrates, we must have to learn these, that all nitrates are completely soluble salts. And sparingly soluble salt means partially soluble. For example, AgCl, BaSO4, PbSO4. These are sparingly or partially soluble salts in solution. So we will discuss solubility and solubility product in these sparingly soluble salts, that what is the solubility and solubility product in these, because these are not completely soluble in solution. So tendency of these salts to dissolve in solution is measured by its solubility and solubility product. So let's discuss. Here we have AB compound in solid state. When we dissolve it in water, it's very small, as it is sparingly soluble salt. So very small amount of it goes to water and it becomes AB aqueous. Very small amount, remember it. So it's a electrolyte supposed dissociate into A positive and B negative. So here K is equilibrium constant. K is equilibrium constant, so we can write A positive, B negative and this AB. So rearrange it. This is AB. AB is in solid state. So concentration of it is always taken as constant. So K is already constant and AB is constant. Take whole it as a constant, KSP. And this is solubility product. And solubility is product is nothing but a constant. So students, for A positive, suppose we have solubility of AB as S, so its solubility is also S, and for B also S. So here we write S for this A positive, S for this B negative, and square of this, and it is solubility product. So we will find solubility product in this way, and let's do more and more questions on this topic. Now we have A2B in equilibrium gives 2A positive plus B2 negative. So we have solubility S here for one element. For two elements it is 2S. So for 2A positive it's 2S solubility, and for 1B solubility is S. When we write solubility product here, then A, this coefficient goes to power A square B, and for A solubility is 2S, then here 2S ka square and B S. When we solve it and find its product, we get 4S cube, and this is the solubility product for A to B type compounds. If we have compound like A2B3 in equilibrium, it gives 2A plus 3B. Then solubility product here is here power goes to here, this coefficient goes to power, and here B and its coefficient is 3, so its power is 3. For 2A solubility is 2s, for 3B solubility is 3s. So we write here 2s and at the place of B it is 3s. It is square of A and cube of B. Then after calculating we get 108s5. So it is the solubility product for A2B3 type compounds. Let's do general questions for more practice. The solubility of lead sulfate in water is this. Calculates its solubility product. So here solubility of lead sulfate is given in water. We have to calculate its solubility product. So students, first of all write lead sulfate. Lead sulfate in equilibrium ionize as lead 2 positive plus sulfate 2 negative. So for to find solubility product we have to write its formula like this one and this one. This is 1 so solubility for this one is also S and for sulfate is also S. Here we have solubility value is this one, then put solubility value here and also here, then multiply this value, we get this one as answer. So this is the solubility product for lead sulfate in water. So it's a very simplest question. Let's do another. Ksp of AgCl is 10 to power 10. Find its solubility. Here solubility product value for AgCl is given and we have to find solubility. First of all, in any compound we have to ionize this compound. AgCl gives Ag positive plus Cl negative. Then its solubility product is Ag positive Cl negative. Now we have solubility product and have to find its solubility. Here Ksp is S squares. From here solubility is equal to under root of solubility product Ksp and we have Ksp value is 10 to power 10. After under root it we get 10 की power minus 5 moles per liter. It means in 1 liter of solution we have dissolved 10 की power 5 moles of solute. Now another one example, that if we have to given values of Ksp and tell us to find the solubility order of these compounds. So students, for CaF2 Ksp value is this, PbCl2 its Ksp value, AgCl Ksp value is 10 to power 10. So students, with Ksp value we can't tell that what's the correct order of solubility of these compounds. To find the correct order we must know the solubility of these compounds. So first of all find out solubility in each case. So first case is calcium fluoride difluoride. Calcium difluoride dissociate into calcium 2 positive plus 2 fluoride ions. Here solubility product is calcium 2 positive fluoride and this coefficient goes to power, and here S solubility for this, 2s for this. After solving we get 4s cube. So students, we have to find the solubility here. For solubility after rearranging we get solubility is Ksp by 4 to power 1 by 3. Now we have value of Ksp, this one 4 into 10 की power minus 12 by 4. So after solving we get it's 1 by 3 power. So we have 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter solubility in the case of CaF2. Next case is PbCl2. Similarly, after ionizing it, Pb2 positive plus 2Cl negative. Ksp value here, this one. After putting solubility values, now solubility is similarly as in this case. Put value of Ksp. After putting value we get 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter solubility of PbCl2. Now last case AgCl, it dissociate into Ag positive plus Cl negative. Solubility product here is very simple, Ag positive Cl negative. S solubility for Ag and S for Cl, so we get S square. Now solubility S is equal to under root of Ksp and we have value of Ksp here. Put this value so we find solubility as 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. So students, compare these solubilities, because with KSP values we can't determine that what is the correct order of solubility of these compounds in solution. Now we have values of solubility for all these compounds. Now look, here it is 10 to power 5, 10 to power minus 4, 10 to power minus 3. So this for AgCl value for solubility is less, and for CaF2 value is high. So correct order for the solubility is this one, PbCl2 10 to power minus 3, for CaF2 10 to power minus 4, it's 10 to power minus 5. So more the value of solubility, more is the solubility of compounds. So students, if we have given KSP values, then find out first of all solubility of these compounds, then determine its correct order. So आगे है common ion effect. So it's a very important part in solubility. So first of all हमारे पास कोई weak electrolyte है H2S, it's dissociated into H positive and S2 negative. It have some solubility, but अगर हम इसमें कोई strong electrolyte, suppose HCl को हम इसके अंदर addition कराते हैं, so HCl also dissociate into H positive and Cl negative, and it's a strong electrolyte, so it is completely dissociated into ions. So students, what's the effect to after we add this strong electrolyte into this weak electrolyte? Let's discuss. It's a common ion effect. सो देखिए यहाँ पर H पॉजिटिव और S2 नेगेटिव हैं, बट यहाँ पर H पॉजिटिव Cl नेगेटिव हैं. सो जैसे ही हमने स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट HCl का एडिशन इसके अंदर कराया, सो जो कॉमन आयन यहाँ पर हमारे पास H पॉजिटिव और यहाँ पर H पॉजिटिव है, अब इसका जो अमाउंट है इस सॉल्यूशन के अंदर H पॉजिटिव का, वो क्या होगा, इंक्रीज़ होगा. अब जैसे अमाउंट इंक्रीज़ होगा, सो वो S2 नेगेटिव के साथ कंबाइन करके अगेन H2S बनाएगा, यानी कंबाइन होके अगेन हमें ये कंपाउंड देगा. सो अगर अब ये कंपाउंड हमें मिल रहा है बिकॉज वी हैव एक्सेस ऑफ H पॉजिटिव ड्यू टू HCl. सो अब इसका डिसोशिएशन कम होगा, डिसोशिएशन जितना कम होगा सॉल्युबिलिटी उस सॉल्यूशन के अंदर उतनी कम होगी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट टेल अस दैट व्हेन वी ऐड एनी स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट in any weak electrolyte solution, then its solubility is decreases. So increased concentration of H positive due to this HCl, H positive and S2 negative unite to form H2S molecule. This one suppress dissociation of H2S. Yes, of course, suppress यानी decrease करता है वो उसकी dissociation को. So if dissociation decreases, then solubility must be decreases. So common ion is decreases the solubility of any solution. Let's discuss it with the help of example. Find solubility of barium sulfate in water and 0.2 m molar BaNO3 solution. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसकी वाटर में हमें सॉल्युबिलिटी बतानी है, देन इस वाले सॉल्यूशन के अंदर बतानी है. बैरियम सल्फेट के लिए KSP की वैल्यू 10 टू पावर -4 दी हुई है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैरियम सल्फेट डिसोशिएट इनटू दीज आयंस, Ba2 पॉजिटिव SO4 2 नेगेटिव. सो हियर KSP इज S square because 1s for this, 1s for this, it's S square. So solubility is equal to under root of KSP, and KSP value is this one put here. We have solubility is this one, moles per liter, 10 to power -2 in the case of water. But if we have to find in the case of barium nitrate, then students, I already told you that all nitrate salts are completely soluble in water. So if it is completely soluble, then it's completely dissociated. So write in the form of equation here barium 2 positive and for NO3 negative 2 molecules of NO3. So here KSP Ba2 positive SO4 2 negative. So students, we have to find solubility of barium sulfate in this one solution. here this is barium sulfate and this is barium nitrate. What is common here? Barium 2 positive. So if the concentration of barium 2 positive increases due to this solution, then this barium sulfate combines with this sulfate to form again barium sulfate and suppress the dissociation of barium sulfate and also decreases its solubility due to strong or completely soluble salt. So here for barium 2 positive we have solubility here S, and here we have 0.2 mole for this, as it is completely soluble, so 0.2 m for this, 0.2 m for this, here 0.2. so barium 2 positive के लिए solubility को हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे, solubility of this and solubility of this in addition. For sulfate solubility is S. Now students, if concentration of barium 2 positive is very high, so it combines with SO4 positive, so its concentration in solution will remain be 0, so we suppose it as 0. Concentration of barium 2 positive taken as 0, and here 0.2 for sulfate S. Now we have S into 0.2 and KSP value 10 to power minus 4. Then from here we have S is equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. So this is the concept of common ion effect, that if any strong electrolyte is present in any weak electrolyte solution, then it suppress the solubility or dissociation of that compound. Now we have one more example. Calculate solubility in 0.1 m AgNO3. So AgNO3 is a nitrate salt. It's a completely soluble salt, as it is dissociated into Ag positive and NO3 negative. So as it is strong electrolyte, so it is completely dissociated into its ions. So अगर completely dissociated है तो जो solubility इसकी होगी वही solubility इसके ions की होगी. Then solubility product is Ag positive NO3 negative, and so S for this S, and we get solubility product S here. So S value is 0.1 and we have this 0.01 as solubility product in the case of this one. So students, if AgNO3 present in AgCl, we know AgCl is a weak electrolyte. सो अगर वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के अंदर ये स्ट्रॉन्ग यानी कम्प्लीटली सोल्यूबल सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट होगा, सो उसका क्या इफेक्ट डलेगा? वही कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट, यानी इसकी जो सॉल्युबिलिटी है वो क्या होगी? डिक्रीज होगी. अब इसको डिसोसिएट करेंगे तो कुछ इस तरह से होगा. तो KSP की वैल्यू यहाँ से, अब देखिए Ag पॉजिटिव कॉमन आयंस है यहाँ पे, तो Ag पॉजिटिव के लिए इसके लिए सॉल्युबिलिटी की वैल्यू S है और इसके लिए 0.1, एंड फॉर Cl it is S. Then take this S as 0 due to common, and 0.1 into S is equal to, now this is the value of KSP 10 to power minus 10 by 0.1, and we get here 10 to power minus 9 moles per liter. Students, it is the value of KSP 10 to power minus 10 for AgCl. Now we get this value. So I hope you completely understand the concept of common ion in the case of solubility. Now one more thing, ionic product. One is ionic product and one is solubility product. So what's the difference between these products? Ionic product is not constant, it's a variable value. Instead, the solubility product is constant at any particular temperature. So for ionic product, suppose here AX, A positive, B X negative, then we have this ionic product. These are the product of ions, so it's called ionic product. If we have three cases, if ionic product is less than solubility product, then precipitates formed. So students, अगर ये ionic product solubility product से कम होगा, यानी जो solubility product है KSP की वैल्यू है वो ज़्यादा हैं उसके आयनिक प्रोडक्ट से। सो इट मीन्स जो हमने सोल्यूट का एडिशन कराया है वो ज़्यादा कराया है उसके सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन से भी। सो अगर सोल्यूट का एडिशन मैक्सिमम है तो वहाँ पर क्या होगा, प्रेसिपिटेट्स फॉर्म होंगे, बिकॉज जितने सोल्यूट को उसके अंदर डिज़ोल्व होना था वो हो चुका। अब बाकी जो बचे वो क्या बनाएंगे, प्रेसिपिटेट्स एंड सेटल डाउन। सेकेंड इज़ इफ़ KIP इज़ इक्वल टू KSP, अगर दोनों की वैल्यू सेम होगी सो क्या होगा, सॉल्यूशन सैचुरेटेड स्टेट में होगा। इफ़ वैल्यू ऑफ KSP इज़ लेस देन KIP देन अनसैचुरेटेड, यानी और सोल्यूट हम लोग उसको उसमें ऐड करा सकते हैं उसको सैचुरेटेड बनाने के लिए। सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे जो सोल्यूशन होगा वो अनसैचुरेटेड होगा, यानी कोई भी प्रेसिपिटेट नहीं बनेगा और उसकी टेंडेंसी होगी कि हम और सोल्यूट उसमें ऐड करा सकते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स अब तक हमने डिस्कस किया सॉल्युबिलिटी एंड सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं। अब चलते हैं इसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स की तरफ, दैट सॉल्युबिलिटी डिपेंड अपॉन विच फैक्टर्स। फर्स्ट इज कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट डिक्रीजेज सॉल्युबिलिटी। वी discussed it very properly with examples that common ion effect decreases solubility due to decrease in dissociation of this compound. नेक्स्ट इज़ मोर द सॉल्युबिलिटी लेसर द प्रेसिपिटेशन। अब देखिए अगर कोई सॉल्यूशन हमारे पास है उसमें हम किसी सॉल्यूट का एडिशन करा रहे हैं, देन उस सॉल्यूट का जितना ज़्यादा वो उसके अंदर डिज़ोल्व होगा प्रेसिपिटेशन बनने का टेंडेंसी उतनी कम होगी। सो दैट्स वाई जितनी ज़्यादा सॉल्युबिलिटी होगी उतना कम प्रेसिपिटेशन होगा, जितनी कम सॉल्युबिलिटी होगी प्रेसिपिटेट्स उतने ज़्यादा बनेंगे। थर्ड वन, लाइक डिज़ोल्व्स लाइक, यानी नेचर ऑफ द सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट। अब सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट का नेचर सेम होगा, यानी लाइक डिज़ोल्व्स लाइक अनलाइक डिज़ोल्व्स। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयनिक कंपाउंड लाइक Na पॉजिटिव Cl नेगेटिव इन पॉलर सॉल्वेंट। अब ये कोई आयनिक कंपाउंड है, अब ये पॉलर सॉल्वेंट यानी ये दोनों लाइक कंपाउंड्स है, इसको भी हम लोग डिसोसिएट कर सकते हैं और इसको भी। अब क्या होगा, like dissolves like, in this case positive ions got attracted to negative, negative got attracted to positive, so that's why electrostatic force between them increases and this compound dissolves in this solvent very properly. So that's why we call like dissolves like, these ionic compounds dissolve in polar solvents. One important factor is temperature. इफ़ प्रोसेस इज़ एंडोथर्मिक, सो हमारे पास दो तरह की प्रोसेस होती हैं, एंडोथर्मिक और एक्सोथर्मिक। अब सॉल्युबिलिटी का क्या इफेक्ट डलता है, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स अगर प्रोसेस है एंडोथर्मिक तो सॉल्युबिलिटी इंक्रीज करेगी टेम्परेचर के साथ, जैसे कि NaCl सॉल्ट है हमारे पास। अब सॉल्ट को हम लोग वाटर के अंदर एडिशन करा रहे हैं उसका, लेकिन अगर वाटर हमारे पास जो है वो गर्म है यानी उसका टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है तो क्या होगा, सॉल्ट का एडिशन जल्दी होगा। तो दैट्स वाई process, because process is endothermic, energy is absorbed in this process. So in for example NaNO3, KNO3, NaCl, KCl, in these cases solubility increases with increase of temperature. But if process is exothermic then solubility is inversely proportional to temperature, यानी solubility decrease with increase of temperature. For example Na2CO3 H2O. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये कुछ फैक्टर्स थे सॉल्युबिलिटी जिनके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है। सो हमने आज के लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया कि हम कैसे सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, इसके कुछ फैक्टर्स को डिस्कस किया। आई होप आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई होगी, फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझसे ज़रूर डिस्कस कर लें, या आपको किसी भी MSc के टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए, मैं ज़रूर आपको प्रोवाइड कराऊँगी। One more important thing, for MSc full 2 years नोट्स, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के MSc के 2 years के नोट्स अगर आपको चाहिए तो मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर जाइए और उसे ज्वाइन करिए। वहाँ पर आपको MSc फुल 2 years केमिस्ट्री नोट्स, MSc केमिस्ट्री फुल 2 years नोट्स, ये चैनल है इस नाम से, इस पे आप जाइए और इसको ज्वाइन करिए। आपको यहाँ पर सभी चैप्टर्स के नोट्स प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। बाय बाय।